May mga nakikita tayo sa Facebook, nag-share sila ng isang, they have their one resort na may 10 tao that they own that. You can co-own, pwede kang mag-share ng 100,000, pwede kang mag-share ng 200,000, pwede kang mag-share ng 500,000. Co-ownership. Okay, Gilibers, Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. And ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang top 5 opportunities this 2024 na hindi mo dapat pakawalan. Let's go! Let's go! Okay, so first, this is the opportunity to engage. Alright? Alam nyo ngayon, we can engage anytime, anywhere. Kahit anong group, pwede kang sumali. You can have engagement based on your interests. Kung anong gusto mong topic, kung anong gusto mong concept, kung anong gusto mong matutunan, kung sinong gusto mong makasama, kung gusto mong sinong makasama mo sa group, pwedeng-pwede ngayon. Kung gusto mo about cars, mag-join ka sa group ng cars. Kung gusto mo about pets, so pwede rin. So, ibig sabihin po, any information na gusto mo, ma-access mo. Any group na gusto mo masalihan, pwedeng-pwede. It's a big opportunity for you, okay? To network, para ma-share mo what you have and also to learn. Next opportunity na meron tayo is you can stop and start. Alam nyo, sobrang ganda nito. Compare nung unang araw, we cannot stop. We cannot easily start something. Pero ngayon, because of the advent of new technology and sobrang dami ng opportunities, we can stop. For example, if you don't want your source of income, you can stop and start a new source of income. Kung naiinip ka dyan, kung di ka talaga masaya dyan sa source of income mo o sa career mo, pwede tayong mag-start. O kung may business ka naman, hindi ka masaya, naiyak ka na sa negosyo mo, hindi ka rin kumikita, you can stop and start. Okay? Big opportunity. Hindi kinakailangan na magtiis ka dahil sakto lang ang income na meron ka dyan. You can start and start anytime. Ang laki ng opportunity meron tayo sa paligid. Alright? And third opportunity na meron tayo is co-ownership. Co-ownership. Sobrang ganda din po ng concept na yan. Alam nyo, before, you can only own. Kung ikaw may-ari, ikaw lang. Pero ngayon, we can have co-ownership. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng una-una sa real estate, kung gusto mo ng private resort, pwede. Diba? May mga nakikita tayo sa Facebook, nag-share sila ng isang, they have their one resort na may 10 tao that they own that. You can co-own, pwede kang mag-share ng 100,000, pwede kang mag-share ng 200,000, pwede kang mag-share ng 500,000. Co-ownership. Alright? So, pwede ka rin sa, kung gusto mo, condo, kung gusto mo, apartment, kung anong gusto mong property na co-owner ka. And of course, you can also jump to business. So, pwedeng business sa mga kaibigan mo, mag-co-own ka, mag-share ka ng 100K, mag-share ka ng 50K, or family business. Business yung magpapamilya, 5 kayo, 7 kayo, eto, mag-business tayo ganito, magbigay tayo ng 100K. So, you co-own, okay? Co-ownership, kahit meron kang ibang ginagawa, pwede to. Kahit nasa abroad ka, pwede, okay? Big opportunity for all of us, alright? And next, of course, you can become investor. Ang ganda ng opportunity na meron tayo ngayon. Given na lahat ng investment, it's easy to become investor right now. Okay? Mamimili ka na lang kung saan mo gustong mag-invest, kung saan yung appetite mo, kung saan mo gustong ilagay ang pera mo, kung gusto mong guaranteed, high risk, low risk. So, napakadaming opportunity. Okay? Mag-decide ka lang. Let's go. Let's go. And last, ito po, napakaganda nitong opportunity na meron tayo ngayon. Lalo sa mga edad na 40 or 50. Number 5, you have the opportunity to prepare for a better and wealthy retirement. Ayan, ito siya nasulat. Better and wealthy retirement. Di ba dati ang retirement natin, alam natin, ang projection natin, nakaasa lang tayo sa SSS, sa GSIS, sa Pag-ibig. So, okay po lahat ng yan. Pero, nag-calculate na ba tayo? Di ba nakita natin kung nag-calculate ka, hindi siya sapat. You have now an opportunity to have a better and wealthy retirement. So, ngayon pa lang, pwede ka na mag-prepare because of different investment opportunity. Binanggit ko kanina. And you can have properties. And you can also have ownership. So, ang dami nating pagkakataon na yung pagtanda natin maging masaya. May mga information. We can have access. For example, like ko sinasabi, Kaiser. Kaiser is one of the ways para magkaroon ka ng better and wealthy retirement. Imagine mo, yung pera mo ngayon, pwede mong ipunin. So, kung 40 ka ngayon, in 20 years, 60, malaki ng pera natin, di ba? So, we can prepare. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin for a better and wealthy retirement. At ang information na yan, lahat ng dyan, meron tayong access. Okay? So, sa ating pong lahat, this 2024, pick at least 2 opportunities na nandyan lang sa paligid mo. Abot kamay, one click away. Alright? And of course, if you want to join my team, IMG Rockstar Community, another better opportunity for you to save and invest the right way para sa sarili mo, pamilya mo, and for your future, and of course, a business opportunity para sa atin. Let's go, let's go. Kaya na, sa personal life ni Doc. Let's go. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and how to avail sa Kaiser. PM na sa personal life ko po.